What's he Santa bring you? Baba.
Look, Dylan. Look at all your gifts.
Look, Santa brought this for you.
Oh, figured it out.
Oh, somebody's excited.
He is excited. Put there. Put your foot in the holes. There you go.
Slide down and crash into the tent.
There you go.
Oh, ball.
Hey, Dylan.
Go get the balls. He's gonna run into his tent. There you go. Whee!
Slide.
Whoa! Yay! Yay!
We're going again?
You're gonna have to learn to do this yourself, baby.
You gotta use the muscles, Dylan.
Good boy.
There you go.
Good boy.
There you go. Good job, Dylan.
You gonna go wee? Wee!
Whee!
Wee! Bye! Whoa! All right. So what's this? You want to throw a basketball? What's this, Dylan? Go get your
All right.
basketball. It's near Uncle John. What? See, watch. See?
It went through the tent. Well, now he can go through the tent.
Now you can go in the tent, he's right.
We're losing the shot here.
Where'd he go?
And we got Scott.
He's going in.
He's got the ball.
Yep, we're gonna make it to the Christmas presents inside the tent.
He shoots.
Make a basket.
He
Make
shoots.
a basket.
He
Yay!
scores! Regular LeBron James.
I love being the center of attention.
Can we do this every day?
Boy, they better get that house. Pressure is on.
Scott. Oh, he told you.
Denied. Put it in the goal.
Yay!
Tara, you got some competition now.
I know. We're gonna actually raise that.
Dylan, go in the tunnel. Dylan, can you figure out? Come here. Dylan, go in here.
Bree, get on that end and see if you can call him to come through.
Dylan, or bring a ball in here. Dylan. Dylan, come here. Look in there. What's down there? What's down there? Uh-oh, come get the ball.
Where'd the ball
Go get the ball.
Oh, that is so neat.
Go get the ball.
Do you see the presents?
Uh-oh.
Do you see the presents?
What do you have in there?
Oh.
Dylan.
Went right by him straight to the ball.
Hey, Dylan. Hey, Dylan, up here. Dylan.
Could care less.
He went right
Dylan.
by him, went straight to the ball.
Dylan, up